My first formula. This is a simple example with no business value, intended solely to help understand how BlockSpot-Formula works. The echo formula simply returns the value passed as a parameter prefixed with the string echo. How? Go to the Manage Formulas page. Click on New Formula. Select the target HubSpot environment. Enter a name for your formula. Select the return value type. Echo accepts a string parameter. Enter a test value. Click on Save Formula. Click on the Formula Editor tab. Concatenate the input parameter string with the string echo. From the Functions, String menu, select the Concatenate block. Remove the concatenation delimiter. From the Data and Variables menu, select the Constant Text block. Enter the value, echo. From the same menu, select the Parameters block and choose Input Value. Click on Evaluate to test the formula. Echo, Hello, is displayed in the output area. Click on Save Formula. Now click on the HubSpot Content tab. Then click on Copy to Clipboard to copy the code to integrate into HubSpot. Now create a HubSpot workflow named Echo Last Name. This workflow enrolls contacts. When the last name property changes, add the custom workflow action, Evaluate BlockSpot-Formula. Paste the previously copied content into the Formula Parameters field. Give the action a title. Replace your value with the contact's last name property. Add an Edit CRM action to update the contact's echo property with the BlockSpot-Formula result. Don't forget to enable re-enrollment for this workflow. Review and turn on your workflow. Open a contact record. Update the last name property. Refresh the page. The echo field is updated. Everything is set. You now have the basics to build your own formulas. Start building powerful formulas with BlockSpot-Formula and enjoy the process.